What's up, TD gang? It's your boy Tyrese.
And Didi.
And today we are back with another video for y'all, man. Today we got something special. Something very special for y'all. For all the 360 wavers out there, man. Today we're gonna have a transformation from me with my curls to some 360 waves. So, as you can see right now, I'm rocking the curls, man. And we're gonna have a girl over here. She got her little curls. Her curls kind of banging too. Show them off.
Yes.
They ain't Tyrese curls, but they almost up there.
Y'all, my hair growing back too. Like, yes, honey. Y'all know the struggle. Hair be growing back.
But anyways, y'all, D's gonna take y'all through my process that I do when I get my 360 waves. She's gonna go through all the brushing, show you all the products that I use, all of that. So anybody who ever had any questions, you about to get a first-hand look into what I do.
Oh, before we start this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for getting us to 800 subs.
We almost at 850 when we make this video. So yeah, right? Keep on pushing, man. We on the road to 1K.
On the road to 1K before my birthday.
Yes, before
we're gonna
October
make that happen.
15th.
We already know. 1K before October 15th, even if the night before. Hey, whatever, it is what it is. But anyways, we love y'all. Thank you for the support, and I know y'all come back for me because
you feel yourself the most. I swear.
Y'all, but anyways, y'all, we love y'all. Can y'all tell?
All I know is I want my dang on hair brushed. So let's get it, man.
He be missing his girls.
I
He's
want
such
my
a
hair
pretty
brushed.
boy.
Where my brush at? I'm gonna need a towel. Hold on. Alright,
that means I
we Gucci. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this bandana off. I don't have no haircut, so my hairline finna be hurt.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh,
Jesus.
I need a fade, man.
Yeah.
But
anyways, y'all, we finna get this started. Do you use the hard part or the soft part?
You supposed to know my hair so as much as you see me brush. Don't do that. You gonna mess up my hair, man.
Alright, y'all.
Alright.
So, because I'm extra.
What are you doing?
It's my tutorial, not yours. So I do
Alright,
that.
we're gonna see if she can make these waves pop, man.
Alright. Y'all gotta stand up, so I'm sorry, because I can't see. This is better, okay?
She's not gonna do it right.
Yes, I am. Watch. I'm finna have my baby right. Like, I already know how his hair go to. Like, I'm finna have this all right. Y'all, we ghetto. We ain't got no spray bottle, okay?
I just realized we don't have a spray bottle. We sit here using a water bottle.
Alright, y'all, I'm finna lay my baby hair. First of all, before the video starts, this is how his hair looks. Y'all, okay. Y'all see this? These are dead curls. Like,
it's probably already waved up a little bit.
just a little bit, but
barely, because my hair kind of trained.
But anyways, y'all, we finna. This stuff smells so good.
Oh yeah, this that Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer Smoothie. This is that great product.
A little is a lot, y'all. A little is a lot.
Make sure you go with the grain. You probably don't know what that means.
Yes,
you probably
know
what do you mean? What do you
Going
mean?
with the way your hair grows.
Oh, okay.
Hairstyles in the making, okay. Y'all, I know. All right, now we're gonna start brushing.
You just missed the whole side.
No, I didn't.
You didn't get this side.
Yes, I did. Don't tell me what I didn't do.
You did not get that side.
Y'all.
This feels so bad. She's not brushing my hair right, and it's irking me. Cause it's not right. It's not.
How?
Ew.
Am I not?
It feels weird, bro.
Or does it feel weird because of somebody else's brush?
Cause you not brushing it right. All right, look. I'm gonna tell you right now. Do the soft part first, so you gotta lay the product down in my hair.
Okay.
That's what it is. So
you
don't need that much more product, but it's fine.
Y'all, this finna be fire, y'all. I'm just telling y'all right now.
That's enough water, babe. You don't want to drown my hair.
Don't tell me.
You don't want to drown my hair.
Don't tell me. Who's the hairstylist?
It ain't you, obviously. You can't brush no hair.
First of all, I don't have no sun or nothing, so I don't know.
Black side.
Am I still not brushing the sides right? Is it this way? Is it this way, right?
Yeah, there you go.
That's what I was doing, you crazy boy. Yes, brush back. Y'all, I'm laying down these edges. Yes, honey. Yes.
Chill, bro.
Yes.
Chill, sir.
Don't call me sir. I call you sis.
You missed this side, baby.
Babe, I'm not done. Y'all, tell him to stop telling me what to do. Y'all, comment if y'all want to see me get him lined up.
I don't want that to happen.
Why not?
You gonna have my hairline up here.
You know what? If I was to cut your hair, you know where I would cut?
Where?
Right here. Just that little piece. and cut off your thing right here because you don't like that, and it makes your hairline look uneven. Is that right?
That's right.
Oh, okay. Oh! Y'all, let me get my baby right. Bring your head over here.
Man, you rough for a little stylist, man.
I'm trying to make sure they down, babe. You know I'm
See, that's what I'm about to tell you. So go ahead and switch the brush around.
Okay.
The hard side. That's gonna make the hair, it's gonna stretch out the hair more, get the waves deeper.
Yes. Y'all gonna be swimming in his waves through the camera. Y'all finna be swimming. Y'all already swimming probably through this camera. But he ain't got no haircut yet, so it's not gonna look that good. But it's gonna look good enough, y'all. Yes. Dang.
Oh yeah, you thought it's sweet. This ain't no joke. Them 100 strokes get to you quick.
You finna do 100 strokes?
I'm gonna have to.
Let me brush your forehead.
Don't brush my forehead, please. Brush my widow's peak.
Yeah, I got one of those too, look. That's
Why you
cute.
playing? I feel like it's almost actually good.
Oh, I know.
It feels straight.
I need a little bit more water. Stop, boy. I'm about to tell you to do that. Y'all, I'm finna have my baby right. Because he don't be doing his hair the way I like it anyway.
Wow. Wow.
Babe, I know you see that. Oh, yes. Yes, girls. Sis. Look at that.
I got the waves for days.
Waves for days. Come here. You must really love me because a lot of dudes ain't gonna love that girl.
I'm just glad you ain't went up in here and brushed how Nikki did Meek Mill here. Remember she was brushing that thing back? Boy, I was like, oh my God.
She let him?
I don't know what happened. But it was all on Twitter.
Gotta get those sideburns.
Get my sideburns too.
Yeah, get them down.
You neglecting back left over here. Shit, back left in a minute.
Y'all,
Yeah, that's good enough right
my
there,
baby's
man.
swimming now. Oh, we done transformed his hair. I make sure it's perfect.
It's good, babe. That's enough. I have to dry it anyway.
That's fine, but I could brush a little bit more. Cause really, I got your hair looking better than when you do it. Y'all, for real, like, come on. Come up close. Y'all, look at that. Y'all see this? They swimming for real deep. Oh, I know you feel them. I know it. Yes. All right, y'all.
All right.
That baby done.
Just finish with the brushing. We'll go ahead and dry this excess water out real
Oh, wait,
quick.
nope, that's me.
Go ahead and do your thing then. I'm gonna sit back and enjoy the ride.
Hold on, wait, y'all. Gotta show some love to it.
What we gotta put on next? What we gotta do next?
We gotta put on his do-rag, y'all.
Oh, the silky do-rag. Silk only, no polyester.
I bought this one.
Get you a girl who buy you do-rags.
Get your man by your weave. Y'all, oh, look at this. Yes.
I'm about to make my hair look. Ooh.
Y'all, let's see if I can tie a do-rag, right? You can take it off.
I'm scared, 'cause I don't know if you can do. I don't know if you can tie a do-rag now.
I can. Just let me.
I don't know. I'm gonna critique you on this one.
Alright.
All right.
That goes right
Okay. Okay. You got the first part right.
Oh, wait. Or does it?
No, you right. That's right. That's right.
This doesn't go out on the inside?
No. I always had a do-rag
So
on the
it's
inside out.
backwards? Okay.
I always have it
All
inside
right.
out.
I'm just doing what I've been watching him do.
She see what she see me do. Yeah, D2.
Yeah, I know. This goes over here, but it has to be flat.
Okay.
It's gotta go up here. I'm gonna fix it. Hold on. Is it supposed to go down here?
Where? It don't matter where it goes, as long as it's going across my head. Dang, this thing on tight. She got it on tight.
Oh, it's too tight?
No, you good. I'm gonna tell you one thing though. You gotta pull this down.
Babe.
If you know what you're doing, then go ahead. Pull that down tight, babe. This back here. Look, she done got these things all out. Like, what is this? It's supposed to go behind my ear. See?
Okay, so I tuck it behind?
See?
Do I tuck it behind?
Yeah, it's supposed to be in the beginning though. That's the beginning stage.
It's okay. We can still do it. Look, and this one already came up on its own.
You good, baby? Now what we gotta do? Let me see if you know. What we gotta do now?
Hold this.
You don't gotta do all of that. Just let it hang, let it hang, let it hang. Let it hang. We could be hanging today.
Okay.
So, we're gonna let that thing hang. For your first time doing it, babe, you did pretty good. You did pretty good.
Y'all, we gonna come back and we gonna see what I done did. And you're not gonna fix it. It's just gonna stay like this. And we're gonna see if I laid them down right. And y'all tell me 1 through 10 how good it look, okay? Don't talk about his hairline or nothing like that.
We know we hurting over here, but we talking about the waves, so.
We out of here. See y'all later.
We are back, man. We are ready to go ahead and reveal the 360s. We done had to do right going for a good little minute, so now it's time to go ahead and take it off and see what we're working with.
Yes.
You ready, baby?
Y'all wonder why I got on the white shirt, because it's the next day.
She gotta go to work, so it's about the time for her to get up out of here. So we're gonna go ahead and do this real quick.
So we gonna see what we're doing.
This is just straight natural, man. I ain't do no brushing, no nothing. You just take the do-rag right up off.
Alright, let's see.
Let me see what we got. Let me see what we got. You ready?
Yes. You ready? Ooh, yes. Hold on, let me get this for him. Ooh, look at that. My baby's swimming.
If only you could feel it through the camera.
Yes, y'all. Yes.
I'm gonna get my hair cut down, man. I'm gonna post some pictures on here, man, so y'all can see what we're working with. But this is your boy 360 transformation from the curls to the waves. With that being said, man, you already know how we coming. What we gotta do? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are getting there. We will be getting there before October 15th, which is her birthday.
Yay.
So by October 15th, matter of fact, y'all can make that be her birthday present. Get us to 1,000 subscribers, and we're gonna wish her a happy birthday, all right? In the meantime, man, we will catch y'all later. We'll be dropping a lot more videos for y'all. Stay tuned, all right?
Yeah. I'm working on iron. I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect.